Hello, and thanks for joining me for our next senior recognition. Today we're going to recognize Ben Rorvig. So we're going to talk a little bit about him and what he's meant to the program and some of the highlights of him and where his next steps are going to be taking him. So thanks for joining me this week. So some of Ben's memories when we asked him about what things were like here this season. His season goal is to have a good time, and like he just said, he can say it was great with the little time that was available this season. So we appreciate that. You enjoyed the little moments, and that's what you have to do in life. So thanks, Ben, for recognizing the 2 weeks of practice and playing golf was a good time together with the group of boys we had. And then here's a quote you sent me, a little humbling experience you had. So you said, me walking up to the tee box on hole 6 at Sudden Valley, feeling great about my round, and then hitting 5 golf balls straight into the water. That memory keeps me humble. And that's what's great about golf. That next shot will always keep us coming back. And then there's always those humbling experiences where we can't get out of the woods or always hitting it in the drink. One of my memories is with Ben. Ben, I believe, is the first one I played hole 1 with. I was new to the course at Sudden Valley this year, and so one of my favorite memories is just getting out. I think it was day 2, day 3, and Ben let me borrow a club and a ball, and I just played hole 1 with him right before dusk. So that's a great memory, Ben. Thanks. I learned a lot from you, so thanks for sharing that with me. A little bit more about Ben. Ben has lettered in golf 3 years, so very outstanding accomplishment. Nice work there. And Ben does great work in the classroom. He has a 3.689 GPA currently posted in Skyward, but I think after this homework that he's been getting done at home, he's going to have a much better grade point average. So it's going to bump up just a little bit. So looking forward to seeing you go to George Fox and take your academics to a very prestigious school. So that's very nice work. A little bit more about Ben, just on his questionnaire around his favorites. Favorite athlete was Gary Payton, and then golfer Tiger Woods. He really enjoyed his aerospace class this year, and we enjoyed having you in there, Ben. It was a great experience. And one of your favorite memories of Bellingham High School boys golf was the Gamble Sands tournament. So I think that was a good time for everybody. Disappointed you weren't able to do this on your senior trip or senior year, but looking forward to potentially playing golf there with you sometime. Your walk-up song, your pump-up song is "Dirty Heads" is "Vacation" by Dirty Heads. Great artist, and I just watched the music video, and it almost looked like Mr. Belding from Saved by the Bell. So very cool music video there. Ben is going to be taking his talents, like I mentioned, to George Fox University, and he's going to be studying there. Ben, we wish you nothing but the best. Thanks for all your contributions to Bellingham High School itself and also the golf team. Thank you.